Hello everyone. In this video we will be solving a numerical, and the numerical is a cylindrical piece of steel 80 mm dia and 120 mm long is subjected to an axial compressive force of 50,000 kg. Calculate the change in volume of the piece if bulk modulus is this and Poisson's ratio is given. So how we will be solving it? Let's start the question. So first, what is given to us? So axial compressive load that is equal to 50,000 kg. Next, bulk modulus that is K. K is given as 1.7 into 10 raised to power 6 kg per centimeter square, and Poisson ratio mu that is 0.3, and a cylindrical piece. So this is the cylindrical piece is subjected to axial compression where P is 50,000 kg and dia is 80 mm and 120 mm long. So now how we will start it? So first we have to find change in volume of the piece. So now change in volume will be find out by delta V by V. So we know that delta V by V, that is volumetric strain, will be equal to Ex, Ey and Ez, where Ex is sigma x by E minus mu sigma y by E minus mu sigma z by E. Similarly, Ey will be sigma y by E minus mu sigma x by E minus mu sigma z by E, and Ez will be sigma z by E minus mu sigma x by E minus mu sigma y by E. Now in our case, sigma y is 0 and sigma z is 0. So sigma x is equal to negative 50,000 divided by pi by 4 into, so this is in kg and here it is in 80 mm. So we are taking 8 whole square, it will be in centimeter square. Solving this, we will get my negative of 995.2 kg per centimeter square. Negative denotes compression. Now we also know that E is equal to 3k 1 minus 2 mu. So here we can get 3 into 1.7 into 10 raised to the power 6 into 1 minus 2 into mu, that is 0.3. Solving this, we can get Young's modulus, that is 2.04 into 10 raised to power 6 kg per centimeter square. Now from this E we can find Ex, Ey and Ez, and then we can find delta V by V. So Ex will be sigma x by E and it will be equal to minus 1995.2 divided by 2.04 into 10 raised to the power 6, and it will be minus 4.878 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Similarly, we can find EY. EY will be, so here this will be 0 and this will be 0, so we can get minus mu sigma x by E, and it will be equal to 0.3 into 4.878 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and it will be equal to 1.4635 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Now Ez will be same, that is minus mu x by E, so it will be same, that is 1.4635 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So here positive denotes that it is in tension. Now we can find EV, that will be equal to EX plus EY plus EZ, and it will be equal to minus 4.878 plus 1.4635 plus 1.4635 and into 10 raised to power minus 4, and it will be minus 1.951 into 10 raised to power minus 4, so it will be EV. Now EV is equal to delta V by V. Now we have to find the volume, so we can find out volume, that is so delta V will be equal to this minus 1.951 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into volume. Volume will be pi by 4 into d square into h, and h will be 12. So solving this, we can get delta V, that is minus 0.1176 centimeter cube. Now change in volume is in negative, so there is a volume reduction. So we can write that there is volume reduction of 0.1176 centimeter cube. So we have solved this question.